Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome back again to another interesting video. All right, guys, I'll be making a very simple, beautiful, and cute hairstyle for my baby girl. And also, it's also a no cry hairstyle. In fact, Oma, my baby girl didn't give me too much stress making this hair. All right, so it's a no cry hairstyle. She did not cry, nothing, nothing. You can easily make it for your baby girl. All right, so yeah, and you can also style this hair in different forms. All right, so anyhow you want to style it, you can do it with this particular hairstyle. All right, and it's self-explanatory. There's no need for me to be doing too much talk and all of that. Just look closely and relax and watch the video, and you're going to understand what I did. Okay, it's very easy and quick hairstyle. All right, enjoy the video and please don't forget to give us thumbs up and subscribe. Makanega like, yeah, enjoy the video.
A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy, but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah. Lion's gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the land. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty.
Say hi.